The first time that my husband used this cordless drill, he was expecting it to be gutless. But his exact words were, "I'm so impressed by the power." I'm Gina with WTI, and this is the SundpeyPRO 21V Cordless Hammer Drill. So my husband is a general contractor. He does a lot of work with chimneys, and this is perfect for using on masonry, such as this brick. This has high torque, and on the hammer drill setting, he was able to drill into this brick so fast, and then change it to the screw setting and tap in that screw. This has a lot of different options for whatever you're using it for. I was able to use it for some home improvement projects like drilling into the wall and also putting furniture together. So this is great for little projects and for big projects. Plus it has a high capacity battery, so it's ready to go when you need it. I'm just so impressed that something that's off-brand and a great price can rival some of those big name companies. This has 20 speeds, 3 clutches, so it's really good for any scenario you want to use it in. My husband and I definitely recommend it, and that's our point of view.